Today, we're exploring the journey of Mel Tucker, an American football coach who was once one of the highest-paid coaches in college football history. His career saw a dramatic fall from grace following serious allegations of sexual harassment and his subsequent firing from Michigan State University. So, where is Mel Tucker now? Let's find out. Mel Tucker had a successful coaching career spanning both the NFL and NCAA, including stints as a defensive coordinator for the Chicago Bears and the University of Georgia, and as an assistant head coach at Alabama, where he won a national championship. In 2020, he was hired as the head coach at Michigan State, and after a breakout 2021 season, he signed a landmark 10-year, $95 million contract extension. In September 2023, a story was published detailing allegations of sexual harassment by Tucker towards Brenda Tracy, a sexual assault survivor and anti-sexual violence advocate who had been hired by MSU to speak with the team. Tucker was suspended and subsequently fired for cause by Michigan State for violating the moral turpitude clause in his contract. Tucker has denied the allegations and claims the relationship was consensual. This has led to ongoing legal battles. Tucker filed a wrongful termination and defamation lawsuit against the university in July 2024, and Tracy has sued both Tucker and MSU. Where is Mel Tucker now? As of now, Mel Tucker is not currently coaching football, and his exact location is private. He has been given a 3-year show cause penalty by the NCAA for separate, self-reported recruiting violations, which would make it difficult for another school to hire him in an athletic role during that period. His lawsuits against Michigan State and the separate defamation suit filed by Tracy remain ongoing, with reports in early 2025 that Tracy's legal team was having difficulty locating him to formally serve him papers for her lawsuit. Meanwhile, his former Michigan State mansion was listed for sale in September 2025. Mel Tucker's story is a stark example of how off-field conduct can derail a high-flying career. From a celebrated coach with one of the richest contracts in the sport to a figure embroiled in a complex legal battle, his future in football remains highly uncertain. He will be remembered for both his on-field success and the controversy that ended his time at Michigan State. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If